I'd like to introduce you to the world's first coffee straw. Meet the JoGo. JoGo is the world's smallest and most portable way to brew and enjoy French press style coffee anywhere and anytime. JoGo offers the easiest way to drink robust coffee without sacrificing any of the flavor. Just drop in a scoop of your favorite coffee grounds, add hot water, pop in your JoGo, and enjoy. Not only can JoGo fit right in your pocket and is 100% sustainable, but also, drinking coffee through a straw helps prevent unwanted teeth stains. The perfect companion for the wandering nomad, the outdoor explorer, or the busy student. A delicious cup of coffee has never been so fun and easy. JoGo's story starts at the bottom of the world. During a motorcycle expedition, I took from Minnesota to Patagonia. When I was given a bombilla, a tool used to drink loose-leaf tea made popular by the gauchos, the legendary Argentinian cowboys. Now, fast forward to where my co-founder and I were leading a canoe trip in the Great North Woods. We were tired of the usual methods of drinking coffee in the wild, which are either too bulky, wasteful, expensive, or just a hassle. But then, we had an aha moment. Could we use my bombilla for drinking coffee? It solved many of our issues, but there was one big problem. The filter wasn't quite fine enough for coffee grounds. We went to work to develop an innovative tool that would revolutionize coffee on the go. JoGo is crafted with a silicone tip mouthpiece, durable stainless steel, and equipped with a mesh filter cartridge that is removable for effortless cleaning. The highly functional, multi-purpose design can also be used to drink loose-leaf tea or any of your favorite beverages. In short, we'd reached our last straw. The last straw you'll ever need.